Hi, I'd like to thank Flurose for sending this adjustable shoe rack so that we could put it together and show you what a great product this actually is. So these are all of the pieces that it comes with, and it does come with the Allen wrench, so you don't need any other tools to put this together. So I like that this is made out of a sturdy metal. Sometimes you can get those adjustable shoe racks that are plastic or wood, and they just don't hold up as well as a metal shoe rack, especially if you're going to put things like heavy boots or other bigger shoes like that. And so my son and his wife are going to put this in their garage so that they can put shoes on it as they come in the door.
All right, so we've got it all put together, and what's great about this particular shoe rack is you can fit it to the size of the space that you're putting it in, or however many shoes that you need. So it could be this size, or it can go all the way out to this size, or anywhere in between.
Okay, so we are putting this in the garage next to the area where you go into the house for shoes that you can take off, put here before you go in. Here we've got some shoes added on. I just want to point out that his shoes are size 12s, 13, and they still fit really, really well.